One awesome thing about the new Humminbird XPLORE series of fish finders is that it has 3 customizable one boat network keys that can be programmed to different functions. If you're familiar with the Humminbird Helix and the favorite buttons, you'll be excited to learn about these because with the XPLORE, you get similar functionality with even more customization. Let's explain. So right here on the XPLORE are our 3 one boat network buttons. To customize these, you're simply just going to press one of them and hold. And you're going to see our 3 options up here. So these numbers are associated with our favorite views that I have set up. So if I want to customize number 3, for example, I can change my views and it's going to pull up my 12 favorite views. Right now it's set to this chart view. Let's just change it to down imaging for now. And now that's changed to number 10 favorite view. But the cool thing with XPLORE is you can do much more than just views. So let's adjust number 1. And you're going to see there's a menus option. We're going to click menus and it's going to pull up my trolling motor, which I have connected to our network. So I'm going to set this for my trolling motor to spot lock. So now when I press number 1, my trolling motor is going to spot lock this in place. So let's set our number 2 to deploy my shallow water anchors. So I'm going to go to number 2, menus, Raptor. I'm going to do Raptor down. So now when I press 2, my Raptors are going to deploy and lock us in place. So these 3 customizable one boat network buttons allow you to access your favorite views or enable trolling motor or shallow water anchor controls with the press of a button. If you want to learn how to be an expert with your Humminbird fish finders, check the description below for a link to a variety of different video resources explaining this user interface.